ba, the Canadian Tulip Festival in Ottawa is not just about pretty flowers. First is, these tulips were actually a gift from the Netherlands after World War II as a sign of friendship. Ang sweet, diba? And another fun fact, may over 1 million tulips blooming around the city, especially sa Commissioner's Park, literal na flower overload. Another fact is that it usually happens during Victoria Day long weekend. Kaya masaya ang May month namin. And speaking of that, as a Filipino, iba yung feeling celebrating Victoria Day here in Canada. Back home, wala tayong ganitong holidays, so parang bonus siya for us. Siguro kung meron man is yung parang sa Baguio, yung Panagbenga Festival. But this year, I have 4 days off, so instead na bahay lang, why not explore, relax, and enjoy something new? As a local here in Ottawa, the Tulip Festival is one of my favorites. Plus, free entry siya, so super sulit. We only bought snacks and of course, hindi mawawala ang beaver tails, very popular local treat lalo na pag winter. Parang reminder din siya na kahit malayo tayo sa Pilipinas, we can still create our own traditions. From tropical vibe to tulip season, from fiestas to festivals, life in Canada hits different but it can still feels like home.